2018 Toyota RAV4. The RAV4 is one of the most fuel-efficient SUVs in its class. Versatile and efficient, RAV4 mixes the comfort and drivability of a sedan with the benefits of an SUV. This highly evolved, well-packaged crossover SUV lets you have it all. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: remote start, traction control, dual airbags, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, power windows, electronic stability control, MP3 capability, trip computer, rear window defroster, AM/FM CD player with 6 speakers, overhead console, remote keyless entry, tachometer, HD radio, panic alarm, brake assist, tilt steering wheel, front bucket seats. This beauty will even make your house keys jealous. Drive it today.